So guys, in this video I want to show you a quick video on how to automate WhatsApp with MationX Studio by using your phone. You can make basically your own API endpoint from your phone and basically send messages with your phone, with the result being like this. You can connect it to your Google Sheets as I did here. So I will send myself hi Peter. My phone on the left will receive the message and it will add the message to the Google Sheets file, as you can see, and it replied to me that it's working on my request. So this is a simple automation made with MationX Studio. I will quickly show you how to set it up. So first of all, you will go to mationx.com, so you will sign in. I already have the account, so after that you will go to plugins, you will install, you will get the WhatsApp and the Google Sheets plugins. Both are available in the Pro plan, so make sure to use the link in the description to get a free trial on the Pro. It's very cheap, and after that you will create a new project. So let's say WhatsApp. I actually have to pause my project that is running from what I showed you on the video. Now we have a new project here. There is this manual run block. I will delete it because we won't need it. And now here we have the new section WhatsApp and Google Sheets. So what we will use is the message received plugin like this. We will click personal because we are listening on the WhatsApp personal account. After we receive it, we want to mark it as read. Let's save the sender name, let's save the exact GID, which is like the ID of the user basically that WhatsApp provides, and then let's save the token, the notification token, right? So now we save it. As you can see, we have this block and these are variables that are being saved. Now I can add another, I can connect another block on it. So let's use Google Sheets, let's use append row. Now right here we need to connect our Google account, and yeah, I will delete this. And now basically what you need to do is you're just gonna copy the URL, then you're gonna go back to MationX. Oops, this is the wrong project, sorry. I'll close this. Then you're gonna fill in the spreadsheet URL. You're gonna fill in the, so after you fill in the sheet name, which is on the bottom, you will just input these keys and values to insert. So you can insert, you can put here like the name of the name you put in the first line, like sender or message, or you can put the A or B. So I'm just gonna put A as the sender, and right here I'm gonna use the variable WhatsApp sender, then another one B, WhatsApp text, and now I'm gonna save it. So right now we can test it. We connected our device through MationX client app, which is available to download right here. We will choose our device, and now we can test it. So let's run it right here. You can also sync it to the device and then run it like permanently from the app, but right now we can run it from here. And now let's test it. So we will go back to this window, and let's say, hi Peter, I am waiting for you. Now I send the message. The phone that is right here, I forgot to show you, I will show you again. Yo Peter. Now the phone receives a notification. It's so fast that it doesn't even show you anything, because then as soon as the notification comes, it marks it as read, so the notification disappears. So you can see it's marked as read and it's added to our Google Sheets. Now you can work with these Google Sheets in your Make or anywhere basically. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add another block after this is done. We're gonna call WhatsApp, and let's call reply to message. Right here we can say, let's say, hi WhatsApp sender, we are working on your request. And we can use the notification token, which is what this first block is providing us, because this first block is listening to the notifications. And as soon as the notification comes, we get the notification token, we save it to a variable. Now we can use it right here. So let's use the notification token to reply to the message. We could also search for the notification live, but that is less reliable. This would work even when the notification would disappear, right? So, which is also what happens because we mark it as red, the notification disappears, and then we're gonna reply. So let's save it. And now it should basically add the message to the Google Sheets file, and then it should reply to us. So let's restart it. I will stop it and run it again. I will go right here again. I will show you my phone here, and I will send myself a message. Hi Peter. Sent myself a message, and as soon as this finished, as soon as it added to the Google spreadsheets, we received a message. Hi MationX, which is my name on this WhatsApp. We are working on your request. So it's simple as that. Right here we have just the notification of ourselves replying. This notification is created once we reply. So that's about what I'm gonna show you in this video, guys. If you're interested, you can do much more here. This is just what you can do with WhatsApp. You have much more blogs here, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. You have the link in the description to get the trial on the Pro, and thank you for watching.